Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about internet marketing tutorial with Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How to earn money on the internet with a marketing tutorial with Richard Murphy. How to earn money on the internet through a marketing tutorial with Richard Murphy is the ultimate guide for creating an online business. It provides a simple, step-by-step blueprint for creating a successful online business. Although you do not have to be an expert in computers and the internet, Murphy will teach you the basic information necessary to get started. Murphy has made an excellent choice, as he spends much of his time providing detailed information for beginners on the internet. He knows that this is an ideal choice for beginners to learn how to market using the internet. This resource also has a lot of resources for those already engaged in the internet. What you learn here can benefit your business, your products, or your customers' attention and will help you achieve success for the money you earn on the internet. Murphy will provide all the knowledge needed to profit. He has provided hundreds of tips, suggestions, tools, and techniques to help you make money on the internet. As you work from home, you may find it difficult to pay for the hosting, domain, and website maintenance fees. However, if you are going to put in a little effort, you can create a full-time income on the internet. Just by providing quality information and offering to your customers, you can quickly generate a residual income. Murphy provides an easy-to-follow internet marketing tutorial with clear and concise advice on how to make money with your website. You will learn about keywords, creating blogs, selling affiliate products, blogging and promoting affiliate products. These concepts are not new but will help you succeed online. You will also learn about how to pick a niche for your website so that you can sell products in that niche. You will learn how to use search engine optimization to get traffic to your website. This will increase the chances of sales. What you will find in this course is information that is truly valuable for the internet entrepreneur. Murphy uses a free course that will not only help you learn the basics but also provide many ways to make money on the internet. So this is a great option for people who are starting out. If you are an expert on computers and the internet, this program is great for you. This is easy to follow and understand, a guide that will provide you with the information you need to succeed online. After taking this tutorial you will be able to market effectively. The Internet Marketing Tutorial with Richard Murphy gives you information that is absolutely essential for all internet entrepreneurs. This program was created by a master, a marketer who has been using the internet for years. He has provided details on how to use Google AdWords and Google AdSense. So you will learn how to promote products on the internet and monetize your site. If you want to make money online quickly, you should learn all you can from this program. This is a powerful marketing tutorial that will give you the basic knowledge necessary to succeed on the internet. There is no such thing as a rich quick scheme. However, the internet has changed that concept. You can build a huge and profitable internet business and be profitable within just a few months. With this program, you will be able to create your own brand, products, and services. This is just one of the reasons it is a good internet marketing tutorial to purchase. Murphy does not just have a program, he has a wealth of information that can be used to help you make money. Internet Marketing Tutorials – How to find the best internet marketing tutorials for you. When you want to get into internet marketing tutorials, you will be surprised at how many there are. Richard Murphy and I have talked about this a few times. You may be wondering if there are really that many out there or if there is just too much misinformation out there. The truth is, there are not that many internet marketing tutorials, if any. You may have the impression that there are many seminars and training programs out there, but the truth is, those really are not enough to help you learn it all in one shot. There are so many people who get started into internet marketing tutorials. Most of them fail or quit before they really understand the concept of the business, and they go back to the average Joe's game. They would have more success if they had picked a different method. The best internet marketing tutorials comes from people who have really been there and done that. They have helped other people get started and they know what they are talking about. So how do you find these people? It is really quite simple. There are many companies that will show you the real value of internet marketing tutorials by giving you the proper education that you need. These are the ones that you want to find. I have personally used several of these courses, and they are the ones that you will want to consider using. Some are free, but some require a small fee to sign up for. Each offers a different price for the same service, and you should really do your research when deciding which to use. You will also want to read some of the reviews that other people have written about the course and ask questions about the course. You don't want to sign up for a course that does not work for you, right? This is the second best way to find an online course that will work for you. This gives you the opportunity to ask the questions that you have before you decide to take the course. Even with the best course, it still doesn't mean that you will make money with an internet marketing tutorial. The methods and processes have to be learned properly and in the right order. Of course, you will never be successful in a way that you were trying to until you know what it takes to build a successful business. It is truly the most difficult thing that you can do in life, but when you get there, you will feel like you have finally reached your goal. This means that if you want to learn what it takes to make money with a business that is actually going to make money for you, you will need to enroll in an online course. I am really very happy with this solution, and I hope that you will take advantage of it as well. Internet Marketing Tutorial with Richard Murphy. So, you want to learn internet marketing from the master himself, Richard Murphy. You want to do your own internet marketing and build your own business. To make this happen, you need to get your facts straight and know how to do it right. This is not easy and can be learned by a little investment of time and effort. If you want to set up a home-based or online business, there are some facts that you will have to know if you are going to succeed. It's not as easy as it sounds. It will take some time and effort, but it can be done. So, if you want to learn about internet marketing, how to set up your own home-based business, and what it takes to make money online, you will need a guide to help you along the way. You may have heard of internet marketing tutorials before and decided that you did not want to invest in them. But, you want to make sure that you do because they are a great resource. They will give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your home-based business so that you can become your own boss. These tutorials are not all the same, but they all provide the same information. So, if you want to learn how to become an internet marketing guru, you will need to pay a little for these lessons. Richard Murphy is known for his product, Internet Marketing Course. This is the best resource out there for getting a proper understanding of internet marketing. In order to learn this, you will need to pay for the lessons and have all the resources that you need to do it properly. No one can teach you about internet marketing in one day, and Richard Murphy won't be able to. He has said in many different places that it will take 6 months to get a decent grasp of internet marketing, and this is a lot of time for many people. However, Richard Murphy knows what he is talking about when it comes to internet marketing. He knows the various aspects of internet marketing and how to get the most out of it. If you want to become successful, you will need to study his lessons and apply what you learn. The learning process that you go through depends on how long you have been doing internet marketing. Some people have been doing it for years and still have not learned anything new. If you are looking for a quick fix, then this might be for you. If you have only been doing internet marketing for a short time and want to learn the best ways to make money online, you will have to make sure that you are ready to take the time to learn what you will need to learn. This means that you will have to take the time to set up your own website, to make sure that you have a product that people will want to buy. It also means that you have to make sure that you have the information needed to do it. If you want to learn internet marketing from the master himself, you will have to be willing to put in the time and effort it takes to get there. Richard Murphy's tutorials will give you the knowledge you need to start making money and developing your own business. With all of the hype and marketing today, many people are looking for shortcuts to success and no one seems to be willing to pay the price it takes to become a millionaire. So, if you want to learn internet marketing and set up your own home-based business, you will need to invest in an internet marketing tutorial with Richard Murphy. Thanks for watching my video about internet marketing tutorial with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.